This is a famous trading hub for cloth sector. This is where people like Dhirubhai in fact started out their career.
Oh, is that so?
आज मुंबई में क्रिएटिव इंडस्ट्रीज है, बॉलीवुड है, एडवर्टाइजिंग इंडस्ट्री है, बट मुंबई पिछले 20-30 वर्षों में मुंबई हैज़ लॉस्ट मार्केट शेयर इन डिफरेंट एरियाज लाइक IT टू अदर सिटीज़ एंड अदर स्टेट्स इन द कंट्री. मुझे महाराष्ट्रियन फूड, इंडियन फूड, चाइनीज फूड, एनी काइंड्स ऑफ फूड, थाई फूड, मिडल ईस्टर्न फूड, दीज आर माय फेवरेट्स.
नमस्कार बहनों और भाइयों, दोस्तों and all food lovers. Grab a seat at the table, let your taste buds ignite, because this is where food meets politics and left meets right. The love जो आप सब are showing to the show ही पिघल जाए किसी एपिसोड पे डाल दो तो. So let me invite you all to another episode of Polkari. यहाँ का वड़ा पाव है एक स्पाइसी डिलाइट. यहाँ की कटिंग चाय हेल्प्स टायर्ड सोल्स टेक फ्लाइट. भेल, मिसल, दाबेली, पाव भाजी इन एवरी बाइट. ये है मुंबई नगरिया में खाने का इनवाइट. द सिटी दैट नेवर स्लीप्स, बट डोंट यू वरी, पोलकरी पहुंच गया है मुंबई. यहाँ कॉम्बो है एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी. Today, my guest has promised me a surprise. He's taking me to one of the oldest parts of Mumbai for a fabulous, pure, asli Maharashtrian meal. So let's meet former Union Minister, Member of Parliament with an avid interest in spirituality, music and travel, and an asli Mumbaikar, Milind Deora.
Welcome Kunal, and thank you for having me on your show. This area is an area famously called CP Tank. CP Tank was named after a Parsi philanthropist, and who was one of the earliest people who built a tank, a water tank for the residents of Mumbai.
Okay.
To give them clean drinking water back in the day. And this is the extended part of this area is called. This is of course in an area called Girgaon. Close to Thakurdwar, close to Bhuleshwar, close to Kalba Devi.
Okay.
Where you have a great history. The larger Girangaon area, Girni as we know in Marathi means mill workers. And the Girni Kamgar means the mill workers. Because Mumbai was a textile hub of India.
Absolutely.
Of the world in fact. And then there was a strike many decades ago, and then the textile mills got shut down.
And you see remnants of old mills still in the city, don't you?
So you'll see the mills which are being redeveloped if you go to Lower Parel.
Correct.
And to Prabha Devi and those areas. But if you look around, you'll see a mix of new developments and you'll see a mix of chawls.
Yes, and these old architectural sort of...
Right. So those chawls, that is where, for example, the mill workers used to live in different parts of South Mumbai. This is where people like Dhirubhai in fact started out their career.
Oh, is that so? Okay.
This is where my father in fact started out when he came to Mumbai. But I'm taking you to...
That is what I was going to ask you, because the show is called Polkari. That means थोड़ा खाने के बारे में भी बात करते हैं.
Absolutely. इस क्षेत्र का एक बहुत ही एक फेमस एक रेस्टोरेंट है, बहुत ही पुराना रेस्टोरेंट है, and they run an eatery called Vinay's.
Vinay.
जो बहुत ही पॉपुलर है, वेजिटेरियन महाराष्ट्रियन फूड.
Maharashtrian food.
And you know this as a fellow Maharashtrian.
Yes.
कि बहुत ही ऑथेंटिक मराठी खाना आपको यहाँ मिलेगा. बहुत ही फेमस है.
खाना खाते हैं और असली महाराष्ट्रियन खाना खाते हैं.
जी.
विनय हेल्थ होम.
We'll try to make it healthy.
Yeah.
The interesting thing about this place, it's recommended by doctors many times that this is a place to go to if you're sick. Unlike doctors will say, don't eat this food, don't eat
outside
that. Am I right?
Yes, correct.
It's famous for that. Doctors will say, come to Vinay's and eat here.
That's why it's called Vinay Health Home, I suppose.
Healthy, yes.
It's healthy and you should feel की तुम्ही घरीच आहात.
घरीच
हे हॉटेलचं feeling
घरच्या सारखं जेवण.
आणि आणि माझा स्टाफ हा ऑलमोस्ट 40 to 45 years ओल्ड आहे जो आमच्याकडे अजून आम्ही मेंटेन ठेवलं आहे.
वैसे यही तो अपने अपने कंट्री की खासियत है कि हर कुछ 50-100 किलोमीटर आप शिफ्ट ट्रैवल करोगे तो खाना बदल जाता है.
बहुत अंतर है.
वैरायटी, सेम आचार डिफरेंट फ्रॉम हियर, डिफरेंट फ्रॉम देयर.
लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आप जो दक्षिण महाराष्ट्र का जो मालवनी खाना है, आप दक्षिण महाराष्ट्र के मालवनी खाना और गोवा
हाँ,
के खाना में सो मच
जमीन आसमान का, जमीन आसमान.
बिकॉज वहाँ का पोर्चुगीज इन्फ्लुएंस है.
करेक्ट.
देन आप गोवा से आप साउथ गोवा की ओर, आप कारवार की ओर जाओगे, उत्तर कर्नाटक, वहाँ का खाना अलग है. देन मैंगलोरियन खाना में बहुत अंतर है. मैसूर जाओगे तो बहुत अलग.
वही करी है, कहीं ग्रीन होती है, कहीं लाल होती है, कहीं येलो होती है, कहीं ब्राउन होती है. किसी में कैरी डालते हैं, किसी में इमली डालते हैं, किसी
Right.
में कोकम डालते हैं.
Right.
इतना. लेकिन इससे पहले का खाना आ रहा है. This is
This is the famous misal pav, obviously.
this is
Can't
the
go wrong.
famous misal pav.
So food for me has been very mixed, Kunal.
Yeah.
And but like you, I'm also मैं
But you like your food, don't you?
बचपन से मैं फूडी था, मैं आज भी हूँ. So I was a big foodie. Then at the age of 17 मैंने पूरा थोड़ा सा डाइटिंग शुरू किया. And my weight changes very fast. अब इलेक्शन का प्रोसेस है. इलेक्शन के टाइम पे कभी कभी खाना लेट होता है, डिनर 10 बजे 11 बजे, देन मॉर्निंग में फिर से कार्यक्रमों में आपको खाना पड़ता. सो नाउ मैंने ये इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग शुरू किया है, जिससे मैं 16-17 घंटों के लिए मैं फास्टिंग करने की कोशिश करता हूँ. एंड फास्टिंग में पानी अलाउड है, ब्लैक कॉफ़ी ब्लैक टी अलाउड है, दूध अलाउड नहीं है, नारियल पानी तक अलाउड नहीं है. सो टुडे आज मैं अपना उपवास तोड़ रहा हूँ आपके साथ.
जैसे हम बातें कर रहे हैं इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग की और हेल्दी खाने के, यहाँ हेल्थ में बोलता ही नहीं, टेस्टी खाना आ रहा है सब.
टेस्टी आ रहा है.
So let's quickly look at what is on the table. We have, of course, the misal and
Misal pav. You have puris, fried puris, which you asked for.
Shrikhand.
Which
have
Shrikhand.
come. Yes. These are the batata vadas. And I'm like a...
This is the famous batata vada, means the vada pav of Mumbai,
Yeah.
which is the staples, the burger of the original burger.
Yes, yes. So please, Milind,
Yeah. Do you like spicy food?
I do like spicy food. I find that as I am sort of grow older, I can't necessarily tolerate it because it is spicy, but I like spicy food. When you travel, do you go looking out for food that you may like to eat?
For sure. Wherever I travel.
Whether it is India or whether it is
Wherever I
abroad.
travel. Wherever I travel. But food is certainly a big part of my thing. But I'm also happy, eating very simple stuff. So, मैं typically.
So what is a daily meal? Normally, what would you eat?
So normally my breakfast जब मैं फास्ट, अभी मैं इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग चालू है, मैं एक ब्लैक कॉफ़ी पीऊँगा मॉर्निंग में. लंच इज़ नॉर्मली फीस्टी लंच, मीन्स मुझे लंच कुछ खाना है,
चाहिए कुछ.
सो लंच में यू वोंट बिलीव इट, बट मैं कभी कभी भेलपुरी भी खाता हूँ लंच
अरे
में.
वाह.
मुझे महाराष्ट्रन फूड, इंडियन फूड, चाइनीज़ फूड, एनी काइंड्स ऑफ फूड, थाई फूड, मिडल ईस्टर्न फूड, दीज आर माई फेवरेट्स. Parsi food.
We've had some good Parsi meals.
We've had Parsi meals together. And I find Parsi food is जो इंडियन खाना में विश्व में जब लोग जाते हैं, आप इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट में जाओगे विश्व में, तो वो मुगलाई फूड है.
Correct.
वो नॉर्थ इंडियन मुगलाई फूड है, विच इज़ ऑल्सो यूनिक. बट इंडियन फूड में इतने सारे फ्लेवर्स हैं, साउथ इंडियन फूड में बहुत अंतर है. आई फील गोवन फूड, पारसी फूड इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी यूनिक इंडियन फूड, उनके जो फ्लेवर्स. बट देन डिनर टिपिकली, देन शाम को मैं स्नैक वैक नहीं करता हूँ. कभी कभी यू आर हंग्री, यू आर ईटिंग समथिंग, यू ईट अ स्नैक. बट डायरेक्टली डिनर के टाइम आई प्रिफर, यदि मैं घर पे हूँ, मैं 2 या 3 ज्वार की रोटी,
Nice.
बस थोड़ा हेल्दी है, बट देन सम भाजी हैज़ टू बी चटपटा. भाजी मस्ट बी चटपटा. एंड भाजी के साथ कभी कभी दाल, कभी कभी कड़ी. मुझे दही का कड़ी बहुत पसंद है, मुझे सिंधी कड़ी बहुत पसंद है, इट्स लिटिल खट्टा. देन घर पे वो बनता है. हमारे यहाँ वी ट्राई टू एक्सपेरिमेंट विद ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ फूड, समटाइम्स धनशाक. बट टिपिकली आई वुड से लंच मेरा फर्स्ट एंड मील वे मुझे खाना है, मुझे जीभ को थोड़ा सेटिस्फाई करना,
टेम्पटेशन होता है.
टेम्पटेशन होता है. उसके बाद डिनर थोड़ा सा यू टेक इट स्लो.
Let me test your knowledge about food with a very simple game. It's called Alpha May Bet. You just go down the alphabet, all the letters A to Z, depending upon how far you reach, and think of one food item, name
Oh
with
God.
everything.
Very
It's
tough.
not that difficult. It's
No?
not that difficult. It's starting with A for apple, or A for aloo puri, or whatever, you know.
I would say A for amras,
A for amras,
B batata vada,
B for banana vada, okay.
C chutney. I know it's a type of food, but I'm big on chutneys, achars.
Okay.
D dhanshak.
I knew that's what coming.
E, I can't think of something with E.
E, eggs.
Okay, I would
Egg
say
Kejriwal,
I
if
would
we
say
can-
eggs Kejriwal.
Eggs Kejriwal.
One of my favorite egg dishes.
Yeah.
F,
I'll give you a hint. Nice Gujarati snack.
farsan.
Yeah. Or what do you eat with jalebi?
Fafda. Fafda hosa. I prefer farsan,
To fafda. Okay.
which is more of the mix in a Gujarati thali.
Correct, yeah.
आपको उसमें ढोकला मिलेगा, समोसा.
Yeah.
G,
G is Goan curry, if I can call it that.
I don't know. There's something called one. Yeah, maybe.
So since the show is not only
I can
about
go up to X also.
you can go. Huh?
I could. X will be shakuti.
Jagotri with an X. Correct. Yeah. Well, nobody has reached up to X up to now.
No, I may not be able to go, but I remember. I'm just saying X would be
I'm
shakuti.
sure you'll be able to go up to it. Since we are in Mumbai, what do you think are the issues that Mumbai is facing right now that need to be addressed as anybody who's getting elected?
Whether we like it or not, Kunal, पिछले 20-30 वर्षों में Mumbai has lost market share in different areas like IT
True.
to other cities and other states in the country. I think for Mumbai we have to reimagine what is Mumbai's USP, not for 5 years, for 20 years, and how can Mumbai compete with not just Surat or Bangalore or Chennai or Kolkata or Delhi and the NCR region of Noida and Gurgaon, but how can Mumbai compete with a Dubai
Absolutely.
और
right.
सिंगापुर. आज मुंबई में क्रिएटिव इंडस्ट्रीज है, बॉलीवुड है, एडवर्टाइजिंग इंडस्ट्री है, मीडिया इंडस्ट्री काफ़ी हद तक मुंबई में हेडक्वार्टर्ड है. मुंबई को दुनिया के लिए एक क्रिएटिव सर्विसेज इंडस्ट्री हब बनाना
बना
चाहिए.
सकते हैं.
फॉर दैट यू नीड मेनी थिंग्स, लेकिन जो सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ है वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है.
We are full of games. Okay. This game is called Munchies.
Nice.
It's all food. Nothing controversial. We'll
Right.
not get into trouble.
No.
Maybe a little bit into trouble. If I named some food, which politician would you associate it with?
That's trouble.
No, it can be nice and sweet. If I say jalebi.
Jalebi is a very accessible sweet dish.
Okay.
It's also a sweet dish where you don't have to put it in a bowl, spoon. Take it, you're in a wedding, take a piece, walk with it. I would say from that accessibility point of view, the man now I'm closely associated with, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, has that flavor.
Okay.
He's someone who's accessible. He's someone who who I've seen, I'm moving away from food, but I've seen in many ways is sometimes too accessible. And he's a big foodie himself, and he makes sure that anyone who comes to his home to meet him, whether they go to the Chief Minister's bungalow or to his home in Thane, will not leave without a high quality meal.
Well fed.
Anyone, any part of the state.
We should go. and
You must
visit
go. You
there.
must do that. In fact,
What else is in this area that you may want to?
there's a place right down the road called Bhai Shankar, Gauri Shankar,
Okay.
which is again historic and iconic in where you get different desserts. But since we talked about Mr. Shinde and jalebis,
Okay.
it's very famous for its jalebis. In fact, I remember as a child when we were growing up, and my father used to campaign. During the election campaign, many times you need a sugar rush. You're fatigued, it's hot. And of course, a light lassi in the sun. But sometimes a kick would come from the form of a jalebi.
Jalebi.
And many of our karyakartas who were in this area, many of the leaders who were in this area, would often go to shops like this and pick up a food and just eat it.
Gets all
Just- it's a
completely
sugar high.
energized.
Sugar high.
Yeah, energized.
Just like a child, You just immediately feel energy and you're like, let's go on for another 2-3 hours.
So listen, we may not go on for another 2-3 hours, but I think it'd be great to end on a really sweet note. So let's head to
Gauri Shankar, Bhai Shankar,
okay.
as I said, famous for its jalebis.
अंदर आकर मेरे चेहरे पर मुस्कुराहट आ गई मिठाई देख के।
आप क्या सजेस्ट करोगे? थोड़ा डिजर्ट, थोड़ा टेस्ट वेस्ट करने के लिए हम आए हैं।
लोग का बेस्ट तो पूरा मुंबई में
हाँ।
रसगुल्ला है
हाँ,
और इन रसमलाई।
हाँ। किसी भी शुभ मुहूर्त का एंड should happen with meetha.
The sweet tooth, correct. Sweet ending, yes.
Correct. So malai sandwich with rose flavor inside. Quite delicious.
This is what it's very famous for.
Ah.
This is something we've also tried as children. Been eating as children. Having the smallest one.
Smallest
but the
one.
full one. Thank you for having me.
Yeah.
And
Wish you best of luck.
thank you.
It's a new,
Appreciate
it's a whole new sort of what do you
Right.
say? It's going to be great.
I say लक्ष्य वही, शुरुआत नहीं.
अरे वाह, लक्ष्य वही शुरुआत नहीं. Guys, मिलिंद देवरा.
Thank you.
Thank you. So ये था पोल करी मुंबई से, and while the crew will have to take flights to go back home to Delhi, मैं तो बस पैदल ही निकल जाऊंगा. लेकिन I'm not going to bid goodbye to you guys क्योंकि आप तो अगले एपिसोड में मिल ही जाओगे. Because Pol Curry will take wings and find another political personality, and we will be chatting straight from their constituencies, karma bhumis, and hometowns about their dreams, aspirations, and of course, food. This was Pol Curry with Kunal Vijayakar only on the NDTV network, and I'm going to leave you with yet another Pol Curry quote for the week. This one by the great Orson Welles. Arz kiya hai, ask not what you can do for your country, but ask what's for lunch.